How to turn on or turn off Super Steady when recording video on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, launch the camera app. Then we swipe across and select video. From here, tap on the control button. Then tap on this button right here, Super Steady. Tap on this button and then choose on if you want to use Super Steady, or you can switch it off. You can also lock horizontal, so select horizontal lock to turn it on. Now with Super Steady, you can use it to eliminate camera shakes, jerks, and vibrations when you are recording video while moving, running, or walking. So when we are recording videos, it should help stabilize your video pictures when you're running and recording. So it helps with the Super Steady when Super Steady is on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.